Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just some tidying up of my pelargoniums. Some people call them geraniums in this country. Yeah, they're inside. I've got them under some lights, and they've also got a bit of bottom heat. So as you can see, they're in full flower. Well, not full flower, but not doing bad to say it's midwinter. This is when I go from seed. It's absolutely gorgeous. These pink centres go a lot deeper when it's the summer. They get a bit of sunshine on them. Get that in view. But yeah, as you can see, it's looking really well. Just get that focused. Yeah, but I'm just going around getting the dead leaves off because they can suffer from a fungal infection called botrytis, and you don't want that to happen. You don't want any stems to rot. But this will be the, I think, third year I'll have had these. I keep pruning them back. I want to get a nice shape on them so you get plenty of flowers next year. You can see, look, that's been pruned back there. That'll die back to the next part, and then I can just take that off. So yeah, so any damaged leaves you want to take off. Any that are totally dry, you want to stop them falling onto the soil as well. You get them onto the soil, and that's when you get problems because of the dampness of the compost. But yeah, sometimes you have to feed leaves, sometimes you get right in there. If you take any leaves off that are alright, doesn't matter. You also want to get some light down here as well, so take a few of the leaves back there, stopping the light getting to the bottom. As you go around this like so. I'll just get this prune back as well while we're at it. Wait a second. But yeah, get in there, get all these bottom leaves taken off. As you can see, that one's starting to come older. That is a no-no, that. All that needs to be taken out. That should have been left that long. So all I'm going to do is prune back just above a leaf node. Looks like you've been quite horrendous with it, but it will benefit from this, guarantee you. You want something very sharp. I clean these in alcohol before I use them, if you don't want to pass an infection for any other plant. You can also use this for cutting material as well. So you want a nice even shape right across the canopy. Yeah, cut these really back in the middle. So when it all grows, you want a nice even shape to this. It's going a bit to one side, this, but that doesn't matter because it's not the end of the world, that, but I want it to be nice and full next year, this. Yep. As you go around, just any leaves that you find, and all this in here, this is a no-no, this. Get all this away. This, I mean, I can leave mine quite damp because I feed mine like once a week in the winter. That's not a problem, but if you haven't got a heated greenhouse, you want to make sure that you don't overwater them, keep them on the dry side, and that will help. So right, I mean, I'm cutting back all these flowering stems, but that doesn't matter. Just that one there. That one. So this will benefit from it next year, this. Like I said, this is over to that side of the pot. Really, I could be taking this out, repotting it and moving it across, but that's not a problem. But this will really benefit. I shall show you next year, next spring, when this starts to flower. So get in there, all these off. Any damaged ones, away with them. I grow them in a peat-based compost, which I seem to like. That's a little shoot that can be pulled off. And we're nearly there now, so yeah. Once you've done all that, I like to give mine a feed once a week in the winter. Just helps them put on some more new growth. And that's about it, yeah, so that's how to look after your pelargoniums in the winter, how to de-leaf them and prune them and stop botrytis from attacking them. So yeah, that's getting them in a good shape there. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, everybody, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe and have a good Christmas. Thank you for watching, folks. Bye.